decided to share a recipe for my favorite peanuts, roasted peanuts. So, to get right to it, what I usually do is let the peanuts down, and then I already have done that. So, you get blanched, unsalted peanuts, roasted, and they're already pre-roasted. Blanched, unsalted peanuts, and I like them hot, so I put in a whole bunch, which I already have put in. Cayenne pepper, and then mix it up with adobo. Adobo. This is actually my own adobo, but you just use normal adobo we buy from the store. And then just mix it up. Make sure it's all coated. And these are awesome. Great for drinking peanuts. Or just sitting around playing on the computer. But they go great for beer. Just so you know. Alright, then take them over to a pan. And then you spread them out. Get your they're just like, single file, so they're not on top of each other. And they'll get cooked properly. So just get a spatula and just push them down. Right down. And then I'll give it one more shake on top of the adobo. Now we rub and then grill. Or broil, and put it on broil, and there, and put it on high. Make sure there's nothing in the oven. Light the fire and wait. Look for it to heat up a bit. We'll beep when it's ready. And we'll get back when that happens. So we'll be right back. Alright. I guess while we're waiting, I'll give you the secret ingredient. First of all, when you get the adobo from the store, it's way too salty. So you can just go on YouTube and download an adobo YouTube video and how to make your own. And just put like 1/3 of the salt in it. And then you add the secret ingredient, which is lime and chili powder. So that's 3-to-1 lime and chili. The lime and chili will get the best flavor. It's like awesome. And then you mix it up, like I showed you. And then you put it in the oven. Warm it up. Then we wait, and I'll be back. Alright, we're back, and You gotta watch them while they're in there. Like it's been about 4.5 minutes. You can't leave them in there too long. Now you take them out. I don't know if you can see them, but they got some color, right? Oh, you gotta mix them up a little bit. Still wet. These are so good for camping or you can go out bushcrafting or whatever. But I always have some of these. Now we're doing the same thing again. Alright, and back in the oven. And give them another 3 minutes or so, and then shut off the oven and leave them. Let them dry. So give them about an hour or so. So they get dried up, and then they're good to go. So we'll see what happens after 3 minutes. How they look. Okay, so it's been 1.5 or 2 minutes, and they're looking pretty baked. So I suggest the second time you put them in for 1 minute and keep an eye on them. So yeah, not so bad. So now that they're still kind of wet, get some more adobo mix and throw it on top. It's all going to shake off anyway, so the more you put on, the better. So it might seem like there's a lot right now, but after you take them all out and shake them up and everything, there won't be much left on there. But the taste will be good. Okay, so now make sure the stove is off. And put them back in and just let them dry for about an hour. And come back and see how they are. Okay, it's been an hour. Let's check it out. Baby, look at that. Smells good. You got the good smell of it, eh? That looks good. Oh, it's close. See if we could smell it. Yeah, that's nice. Try some out. Yeah, perfect. Nice and spicy. I guess now we'll just bottle them. Put them in a jar. Oh, that. Nice and spicy. You can feel the heat. Not that hot though. Not like a Carolina Reaper. Whatever you call it. There's a lot. And then just put the rest in the bowl. And you can save the peanut bottles that you buy, like can buy some at the store, and just use those and refill them. Put them in your backpack and take them to a party. That's about it. Click like if you like, and subscribe if you like, and I'll be bringing you more delicious recipes as it goes. Thank you very much. Catch you in the next one.